I don't want you burnt black. You need to look after your complexion. All men want fair-skinned wives, even if they are black as coal themselves. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to review one of the most popular works of Anita Nair, that is Ladies Coupe. Now if you've been a regular viewer of my channel, then you would know that I did a collab video with Books with Sakshi, wherein we talked about our respective recommendations for 2021, and this book was one of my recommendations. Ladies Coupe is a postmodern Indian work which was written in 1999 and is set in South India. This is a harrowing narrative revolving around the lives of 6 women, each having a different story to tell, but a very common and a customary theme on which their issues are set. You know, Anita Nair's Ladies Coupe addresses the complexities and contortions women had to go through, which were quite ahead of the time when this work was written. This is a story of a 45-year-old bank clerk named Akhila, who despite being the sole breadwinner of the family, has to live on the terms, conditions and notions set by her family members. She is bulldozed into following the rigorous societal patterns specifically designed for women. She couldn't help it. All these tensions and pressures continue to grow, continue to rise, until one day Akhila decides that no, I'm gonna give this a full stop, and she refutes the hollow boundaries and parameters which were laid for her by the society, and she sets out for a train journey to Kanyakumari, where she happens to meet other 5 women with their heart-rending stories. Anita Nair, with a fair portrayal of Akhila, who being the central character, Janki, Prabha, Margaret, Sheila, Maria Kolanthu, represents the gleaming truth of Indian society and the rigid credence and thought process engraved deeply in the minds of people. Anita Nair, through this work of hers, has very strongly condemned the beliefs and prejudices set in regards to girls. I'll read a few lines for you guys from this text. All through her girlhood, marriage was a destination she was being groomed for. On her wedding night, when he touched her lips with his, all she felt was a stiffening within. It wasn't just shyness, it was perhaps strangeness. She had never been alone with a man in a room with the door locked. The company of men had always been frowned upon. And suddenly she was married. They said it was all right for her to be with him, let him touch her and even undress her. And you know what? There are many powerful quotes in this book which kind of prompted me to go forward with this book, despite the fact that the plot was nothing new and was obvious. Anita Nair has went to the very core aspect of what society has knitted for women. Again, I'll read, and this is evident in few lines which I'm going to read for you guys again. I am a woman who has always been looked after. First, there was my father and my brothers, then my husband. When my husband is gone, there will be my son, waiting to take off from where his father left off. Women like me end up being fragile. Our men treat us like princesses, and because of that, we look down upon women who are strong and who can cope by themselves. And you know what? Anita Nair in this work of hers has very strongly criticized colorism, which again reflects how women go through the constant pressure of qualifying themselves to certain beauty standards. Okay. I don't want you burnt black. You need to look after your complexion. All men want fair-skinned wives, even if they are black as coal themselves. Ladies Coupe, although outlines the general and routine ethos and knack of Indian society, the novel still has a very strong grip and would not allow you to unclutch it until the last chapter. I really liked this piece of author, and also because I am a woman, so the thought process which I have kind of went parallel to the thought process explained in here. so I could kind of relate to the ideas presented in this book. So this was probably one of the reasons I could not put down this book, despite the fact that the plot line was quite obvious. So I really liked the book, and I hope you like it as well. I'll rate this work 3.5 out of 5. And that's a wrap, guys. Also, if you liked the video, then please consider liking it, sharing, commenting down below, and also subscribing to my channel. Until then, be safe, do well, and thank you.